Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace your lens on your Oakley Radar Series frame. Now, this technique will work whether you have the radar range, the radar path, the radar pitch, or the radar edge, or any of its vented counterparts, because all these lenses are interchangeable, so they'll fit in each other's frames. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your mirrored portion or your mirrored section of your lens and your frame are facing towards you. So like this. Next thing is you're going to put your thumbs on the bottom edges of the nose piece, here and here. And you're going to push inward. And as you push inward, you're going to push the nose piece out or forward. So let's give it a shot. Push in and then forward. Perfect. If you do hear like a little popping sound, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. We're going to do the same thing to this side up here. We're going to push up with our thumbs to get it unseated. Just like that. Once you get it unseated from the top, the lenses should slip right out. Pretty easy, right? So now to install your new Seek Optic lens, you're going to want to start with these hooks located on the Radar Series lenses on the edges, here and here. First we're going to locate the grooves of the frame, and inside here on the corner there's a little notch that this hook latches onto. So let's go ahead and line it up to the grooves and insert it into that notch like so. Once you've done that, go ahead and do the same thing to the opposite end over here like that. And now we're going to push the lens forward or inside the groove of the frame here. Just like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and push the nose piece. You're going to push it towards you to get the lens nice and seated. You should hear that pop. Perfect. And now you're good to go. So once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So whether it's a new set of replacement lenses or ear socks and nose pieces compatible to that of Oakley's unobtainium, go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you do have any further questions about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.